So you're buying or selling a house, and the realtor is using words like contingency, addendums, earnest money, and closing costs. But what do they all mean? Hi there, my name is Lee Shane, and I'm a realtor with Tennessee Mountain Real Estate, located in Maryville, Tennessee. So many times, real estate professionals just assume their customers understand the real estate lingo, but do they really? In this video, I'm going to clarify some of the most common terms, whether you're buying or selling a home. So, let's start at the beginning. When you select a real estate agent, they will be either a buyer's agent or a seller's agent. And each of these are exactly as they sound. If you're buying, your agent will represent you, the buyer, and therefore is a buyer's agent. And just the same, if you're selling your home, you will then be represented by a seller's agent. And for further clarification, you can watch my video, Buyer's Agent versus Seller's Agent. Once you have a real estate agent, they will ask you to sign a confirmation of agency. This is a document that shows that they are representing you, typically as a designated agent. If you're buying, you'll also be asked to sign an exclusive buyer's representation agreement. This agreement outlines some of the criteria that you are looking for in a home. It also details what the agent's duties owed to you are, as well as your duties to them. Lastly, you will sign a disclaimer. This lets you know that your agent has been trained and is educated in real estate, and though they may have knowledge or an opinion on other topics like roofing, plumbing, or zoning, if it's not real estate related, then you need to seek a professional in those fields. Now, hopefully, by this time you've spoken to your lender or the institute that will be providing your loan for the house, also known as the mortgage. They will provide you a pre-approval or pre-qualification letter. Now, these are the same and a topic for another video. Now let's get to the meat of the transaction. You found the home of your dreams and you want to make an offer. This offer is written and outlines the terms of your offer and is known as the purchase and sales agreement. In this agreement will be contingencies. Consider a contingency as an if. And by that I mean if the house passes a home inspection, you'll buy it. Then this would be considered a home inspection contingency. Or if you are going to obtain a mortgage for the home, you might have what they call a finance contingency, meaning if the bank approves your loan, you'll buy the house. After both you and the seller agree to and sign the purchase and sale agreement, it becomes a legal contract. Afterwards, the real estate agent will also sign it, which binds the agreement and now is a legal binding contract. At this point, the agent is going to ask you, the buyer, to provide earnest money, less often referred to as good faith money. These are funds which are applied to the purchase price of the home and show that you are serious about the deal, that you intend to proceed with the purchase of the home. This money is returned to you if one of your contingencies cannot be met and you choose not to buy the house, but may also be forfeited for a number of reasons. And to find out more, you'll need to watch my video on earnest money deposits. If for some reason the purchase and sale agreement needs to be changed after its binding, those changes are outlined on an amendment, which both the buyer and the sellers will sign, and then becomes part of the original contract. If you need to add, supplement, or delete something from the purchase and sale agreement, it's written on an addendum, which everyone signs and then also becomes part of the contract. Hopefully everything is going along just fine and you're getting ready to close. Now, buyers and sellers will both incur their own closing costs. These are the fees charged by the lender as well as an attorney or title company. So I hope this clears up some of the lingo used in real estate. If you have a question specific about real estate terminology, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll answer it for you. And while you're at it, click that subscribe button and ring that bell. That way you'll be notified each time I post new content. I look forward to seeing you again. And until then, God bless.